on Mangamore TV.
Live for your treacherous self. Free yourself from the guilt, the pain, the tears that you spend. You know you won't reconcile. She'll let no other inside. But the weight of her world on your shoulders became too much to hide. Live for your dangerous self. Live young, die fast, lay siege to your dwindling wealth. And if I'm being led astray, I'll beg forgiveness someday. Well, she said Jesus may forgive you, but I'm not sure that I'll see things that way. And the heart grows colder and older every day. Live for your most humble self. Thought you were so good and so pure and above all the rest. Well, now your road's dirtied up, but it's the path that you took. Well, there were good times, there were sad times, there were bad times, but now I've had enough. And in the cold light of the day, the good times, they seem a lifetime away. Live for your strange, lonely self. In time she'll find comfort in the arms of somebody else. You haven't seen her in weeks. You know there's tears on her cheeks. Well, there's nothing you can do now, so just let her be.